Umbuzo wethu lana uthi mangaki ama-inches ku-4.5 yards. Ziningi indlela zokwenza lokhu. Singathi mangaki ama-inch ku-4 yard bese mangaki ama-inch ku-half yard bese siyahlanganisa. Noma singashintsha u-4.5 kube improper fraction. Asiqale sithi mangaki ama-inch ku-yard elilodwa. 1 yard u-3 feet loyo. So sathi 1 yard times 3 feet ku-yard elilodwa. Oyard bethu bazokhanselana. Nje bese 1 yard times 3 feet over 1 yard. Ngoba phela 1 yard no 1 yard la into efanayo. Bazokhanselana. Sisale no 3 feet. Lokho kusitshela ukuthi u1 yard ungango 3 feet. Ebese futhi siyazi ukuthi ku1 foot kukhona u12 inches. So sizothi 3 feet equals 12 inches. So sizothi 3 feet times 12 inches over 1 foot. Futhi bazophinde bakhanselane. Sisale nobani? No 3 times 12. Ebese sithola u36 inches. U1 yard should sinika u36 inches. Sizothi u4.5 yards. U4 yards no half yards. So singathi u4 yards lo 4 yards times 36 inches ngoba phela u36 inches iyard elilodwa lelo. Bakhansela no yard bethu sale no 4 times 36. 4 times 36 120 plus 12 144 inches loyo. 4 yards 144 inches. U-half yard lo sel nawo phela ngoba siqale sasolve lo 4 yards. U-half yards wona sizosolve sithi 36 inches times half yard lo. Oyard bakhanselane kusale u-half times 36 osinika ubani u18 inches. Sizobe sesihlanganisa ke lo 18 inches nalo 144 inches ngoba phela 144 inches umele u4 yards, u8 inches umele u-half yard. So ukuze sithole u4.5 yards ukuthi ubani, so 144 inches plus 18 inches. 144 plus 18, 4 plus 8 u12, 1 plus 4 plus 1 u6, ebese sihlisa lo 1. So u4.5 yards 162 inches loyo. Asiphindeke manje indlela yethu yesibili yokwenza lo mbuzo sizoshintsha u4.5 ube improper fraction. Lokho singakwenza sithi u4.5 kumele u4 ngithi plus half. 4 plus half loyo umele u8 over 2 ngoba o2 ku8 bawu4 plus 1 over 2 lo munye half osele la eceleni. Ebese noma singathi 4 over 1 plus 1 over 2. U4 over 1 uyafana no 8 over 2. Bese times like 2 4 over 1 to 8 over 2 plus lo half. So u4.5 no 9 over 2 indifanayo. Ebese ke suthola lu 9 over 2 wethu sizothi 9 over 2 yards times 36 inches ku-yard. So mase ubhala sizothi 9 over 2 times 36 ebese sithola bazokhanselana oyard eqala sithole sisale no 9 over 2 times 36 ndibe kade sishilo. Singathi times 36 noma sithi times 36 over 1 into efanayo le. Ebese sisho njalo ke sithe 9 over 2 times 36 over 1 inches loyo njalo. kuyafana lokho nokuthi 9 times 36 over 2. 9 times 36 over 2. 9 times 36 over 2, sizobe sesidivide i-numerator ngo-2, sidivide i-denominator by 2. Sizothi 36 divided by 2 sithole 18, ebese u-2 divided by 2 sithole u-1. So sizothi-ke 9 times 18 ngoba phela sidivide u-36 by 2, sithole u-8 times 9 u-72, u-1 times 9 u-9 plus 7 u-16. Sizothola futhi ubani 162 inches nje bese utholile ekuqaleni. So siyabona ukuthi ngempela u4.5 yards 162 inches loyo.